I'm having an issue rendering videos. I keep getting an invalid argument with specified error. My source video is 3440 times 1440 60 frames per second, and I'm attempting to render it as the same. I can render it down to 1920 by 1080 with letterboxing, no problem, but that's not what I want. I'll include a screenshot of the project settings and the render settings in case there's something I just don't know about that needs to change. Things I've tried, Shift plus Control, when opening Vegas, to clear cache, didn't work. Different source material with same settings, didn't work. Batch render, trick, didn't work. I've triple-checked that the project resolution and frame rate match the render settings, didn't work. PC specs. Vegas Pro 14 build 270, legit copy. Windows 10 Pro v21H2. i7-8700K. MSI RTX 2080 Ventus. Please help. Edit/resolved. Turns out nothing on the internet could tell me that the Sony AVC doesn't support 21:9 resolutions. I found that out after posting this. Who knew Discord would have my answer? Anyway, I downloaded the vocoder plugin and that fixed my problem.